Welcome everybody, thank you for joining me in this 5-minute shoulder workout, okay? You will need a pair of weights, okay? I recommend getting maybe 2 pairs of weights, a heavier pair and a lighter pair, just in case you need to drop it to a lighter set. Alright, we're gonna warm it on up, nice big arm circles here, okay? Again, we got 5 minutes, 2 moves, okay? 2 rounds. Alright, so 1 minute each round, and then if that weight gets heavy, you try losing that form, drop it to a lighter set. That's okay. Alright, nice and easy. Gonna reverse it, palms are up, rotate it on back. Alright, or simply just drop it all the way down, and just do no weight, that's okay too. Alright, gonna bring those hands to your hips. Breathe on it, nice and easy. Touch those palms together at the top, come on down, okay? So it's kind of like a slow jumping jack here, okay? Nice and easy, just warming up those shoulders. Okay, again, control the breathing, exhale on the exertion of the exercises, okay? Alright, get started in about 10 more seconds. Nice and easy, everybody, great job. Again, it's all about doing what you can, okay? Alright, go ahead and grab your weights. First exercise, frontal raise, palms towards you, bring it on up and down, alright? Soft bend in those elbows, okay, we never lock out the elbows, core is engaged, feet shoulder width apart, getting those weights about shoulder height. Alright, nice and easy, exhaling that breath as you raise that weight up, inhale as you come down. Alright, if that weight starts getting too heavy, you can switch it to a lower impact. Right here, you can do some alternating ones. Alright, give each shoulder a breather during each rep. Alright, or you double it up, both at the same time. 20 seconds left. Keep it going. Okay, so the second move is full circles, okay? Full circles. We got 10 more seconds of these, okay? Nice and easy. Okay, core is engaged. Back is nice and tall. Alright, going into some full circles here. Palms facing forward. Going up. Right here, touch at the top, come on down, nice and easy. That weight is in front of you, okay? Exhale that breath as you come on up. Inhale as you come down. Again, you're drawing circles, okay? That's why they're full circles. Drawing some big circle with those hands. Nice and easy, control that weight. Nice and controlled. Okay, again, don't lean it back, okay? You need to engage that core, keep that body nice and tall here. Great job, everybody. 20 more seconds. Then we're going back into those frontal raise. Second round, coming on up. Again, if that weight's starting to feel heavy, you can't get that weight up, drop it to that lighter set, okay? Or again, if you don't have a lighter set, just put the weights down and then do the motion without any weight. Back to frontal raise. Nice and easy here, okay? Again, since this is that second set, second round, weight's probably feeling a little bit heavier. Alright, so again, you can switch it up to alternatings if you need to. Okay? Again, this is your workout, okay? This is about you building up your body, building up that strength, okay? Exhale as you come up, inhale as you come down. Nice and easy. 30 more seconds of these. Then we're going into our last set of full circles. Alright, my feet are nicely planted on the ground, okay? My body has not moved at all, okay? So you want to control that weight. Work those shoulders. Do not swing those weights up. Do not use that momentum. Alright, we want to utilize the muscles that we're working here, okay? So working those shoulders. Nice and easy. 5 more seconds, okay? Then last set of those full circles. Alright, turn those palms forward. Coming on up, touch at the top. Come back down, okay? You can do one at a time. Alright, you can alternate these, okay, if you need that option. Or both. Great job, everybody. You should be feeling those shoulders work, feeling them burn. Alright, nice and easy, nice and controlled. Great job, everyone. About 30 more seconds here, okay, 30 more. Keep that core engaged, okay? Don't forget about the rest of the body there. You want to stay strong. All right, keep that core engaged. Keep that back nice and tall. Keep those feet planted on the ground. No leaning to one side, okay? No using momentum. Do not use speed to get that weight up. Almost there. 5 more seconds. And time. Great job, everybody. You want to put that weight down. Nice and easy. Shake those arms out. Shake those shoulders out. One arm's coming across the chest. Pull it on in. Keep it breathing. Switch sides. Other arm across. Pull that arm all the way in. Pull that elbow in. Use that other hand, the extended hand, to resist that arm pull in, okay? All right, go ahead and bring those arms behind. Pull them on back. Bring that chin up. All right, now reach those hands all the way up. Great job, everybody. And give yourselves a hand. Great job, everybody. Again, thank you for joining me. Have a great one.